Imagine waking up and seeing your money grow while you sleep. But wait, how do beginners actually invest in crypto the right way in 2025? Stay with me for the next 2 minutes and I'll show you a simple, step-by-step strategy to get started, even if you have zero experience. Crypto is not dead. In fact, in 2025, it's bigger than ever. With institutional investors jumping in and Bitcoin expected to hit new highs, now is the time to learn the basics before the next big wave. All right, let's break it down into 3 easy steps. Step 1, choose a trusted exchange. Apps like Coinbase and Binance are beginner-friendly. Just sign up, verify your ID, and you're in. Step 2, buy your first crypto. Start small, $10, $50, or even $100. Stick with safe options like Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum ETH. Step 3, store it safely. Don't leave your money on an exchange forever. Get a crypto wallet like Ledger or Trust Wallet for extra security. Pro tip, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Crypto is exciting but also risky. Want more expert tips? Hit subscribe now and drop it in the comments if you found this helpful. Let's grow together.